Today we're going to unbox the stacking stones.
This is suitable for ages 3 years old and up. Okay, go ahead.
Oh my god! Let's go there! Mommy, how did these guys? Look at all that. Stacking stones! Stack them. Yeah, stacking stones. Mommy, look! That's what they call it, stacking stones. Okay. Gonna put all the big ones on the bottom. Yeah. Stacking stones! I don't have stacking stones in here. Mommy, look at my stacking. Wow. It was too much.
All right, thank you for watching.
Bye. It's hard to build again. You cannot not the tower again. Oh, look! Show them my tower.